Hi all, welcome back to another podcast. So today I'm very happy because at the end I received this. You must be thinking what it is. Okay, so this is Star Award from the Knowledge 24. Okay, it just got delivered today. Okay, couple of hours back. So I just want to unpack it out. It's quite a heavy box. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So I will just open this out. Has really nice packaging, we can say, and if I open this out, okay, I will just remove. Oh my god. I will carefully put it. So here it goes. Another award in my showcase. This is really nice. Okay. So I'm incredibly honored to receive this star award for Creative Catalyst. Okay. For from ServiceNow. It's a surreal feeling to hold this beautifully crafted award. It truly represents the spirit of creativity and collaboration. A special thanks you to Sujan, okay, for the heartfelt nomination. Your word and support means so much to me, and I'm grateful for the recognition of my contribution to the community. To the ServiceNow team and my fellow MVPs, this award is a reflection of the incredible ecosystem we have built together. Sharing knowledge through videos, podcasts, and community engagement has been a joy, and I'm inspired by all of you every day. Thank you all for this honor. Okay, it's a moment like this that motivates me to keep creating and contributing more to the community. Here's two more milestone together. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks for this award. And look at this. This is really nice. Okay, this is the best award I have ever received till now. Okay, thank you. Thank you for this.